In the continuation of studying the different tabs of PowerPoint, we reach to Draw tab. By the help of the options that are in the Draw tab, we can create the pictures of our presentation creatively. Pictures that only belongs to us and you can't find them anywhere else. Especially when we have illustration and drawing skills, we can do it easily. It makes the task easier for us if we have some tools like touchscreen or light pen, but it is not necessary to have advanced tools. We can also do it by mouse. Right now, I have just a mouse and I don't have a touchscreen or light pen, and I want to show you how you can use the options from Draw tab with a mouse. If your PowerPoint doesn't have Draw tab after insert, like my PowerPoint, you can go to File menu, Options section. You can click on the Draw tick in Customize Ribbon section, then OK it in order to have a Draw ribbon here. By the help of three options, pen, pencil, and highlighter, we can use the Draw section. The first tool is a pen, and when we choose it, we can have more settings of this tool. In case of thickness, colors, and effects. The effects section that you can see it here is only active for a pen tool, and we don't have the effect option for tools like pencil and highlighter. In the thickness section, we can define the thickness of our pen, that the maximum thickness that can be determined is 3.5 millimeters. In the colors section, there are some colors that we can choose one in accordance with our taste and use it as a pen. Now I choose purple color. The pen tool is active, then I can draw anything that I want in this way. And by the help of other options, in effect section, we can give an effect to our pen. For example, I choose this effect, and as you see in this way, we can use the selected effect to create interesting design. As I told you that we don't have the effect option for tools like pencil and highlighter. Now if I activate pencil in the settings, you can see that we can determine the thickness of the pencil and the color of it. We can both choose these colors that are here or click on more colors. And in two parts, standard and custom, choose out favorite color. If you have any special color in your mind, you can have it by the code of hex and also RGB codes in the custom section. In the pencil section, I choose another color, and now I want to show you the effect of pencil and tell you how does it work. This is the related effect to pencil that you can use them based on your need. The next option is highlighter. It can be used for highlighting text. You can determine the thickness in this part, and in color or more colors section, you can choose your favorite color. And by the help of highlight, you can show the important parts of your text. Also, by using Add Pen option, we can save the settings that we have done for pen, pencil, and highlighter to use it for the next time. For example, I select pen. In the thickness, I choose the thickness, and in the effect option, I select an effect that I like to use it all the time. Now all the settings will save here forever, and the preview is shown here. I create a new slide here, and now we are going to study the ruler tool. By the help of ruler tool, we can create straight lines. When we activate this tool, you can create straight lines by the help of pen, pencil, and highlighter. It works for all the tools. Actually, it helps you to create straight lines. And if you click on the ruler tool again, this tool will be inactive and just the lines remain. So let's talk about ink to shape option. If this option be active, if you want to draw a circle by the help of these tools or an oval, if you don't draw it correctly, but when the ink to shape option be active, it corrects the shape that you have drawn. Now this option and pen tool are active for me and want to draw a square. If the ink to shape option be active, I can have a good score. It was the usage of the ink to shape option. And the next option, if we select into math option, the math input control will open for you and you can write a math formula here, and then this formula is typed and shown in your screen. And you can manage the writing formula by the help of the tools that are here. For example, by the help of erase option, you can erase a part of the formula, and if you click on clear, all the page will be cleared. Also, if you click on select and correct option, you can select a part of your formula and replace it with a suggested amount that it can help you to write better formulas. Now I write my formula, and if I click on insert, this math formula will be added to my slide. Also, by the help of different options from the eraser section, we can have an eraser in different ways. If you activate the strict eraser option, when we click on the object will be erased in this way. But if you click on the small eraser option, as it is clear from the name, it gives us a very small eraser that if I zoom in the shape, you can see the function of small eraser better. As you are seeing, it erases a small part of your shape. The medium eraser option works stronger than previous option and erases more parts of your object. And by the help of segment eraser, the thing that we can do is that if the segment eraser option be active in the eraser section, if I click on each part of my object, it will erase that part completely, and it can erase the objects that I don't want easier. And also, by the help of lasso section option, we can draw a border, and whatever there is in this border will be selected, and we can regulate the related settings. This is one of the select tools that we put here for us. As you saw with the option in the draw section, we can have a creative and different presentation. In the continuation, we are going to study different options of the design tab.